blood pictures are usually slices made from the fresh blood of bullfrogs. It is often used for scientific research and teaching. This helps us to understand the structure and function of blood cells. Let's take a look under the microscope today. See what they all look like. We use images that have been prepared. This will help us understand their morphology more clearly. At 400 magnification, the one with the most in the picture is surrounded by pink. There's a dark oval ball in the middle, which is a red blood cell. It is the most abundant cell in the blood, responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients. The purple ball that the arrow points to is a lymphocyte. It's a type of white blood cell, has specific immune recognition function. They're antibody-producing cells. There are many types of white blood cells, generally not easy to observe. Notice in the picture that the arrow points to a cell that looks like a figure-8 nucleus in the middle. This is another type of white blood cell, eosinophils. It's usually slightly larger than a red blood cell. Switch to the electronic eyepiece and you'll see that this is a neutrophil. Between these red blood cells, the light-colored ones pointed by the arrows are platelets. Has coagulation function, tissue responsible for stopping bleeding and repairing damage. Between many red blood cells, there was big white something. These are large phagocytes. They're the real warriors. By observing the excavated images, we get a glimpse into the microscopic mysteries of life. Every cell is working silently. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in the micro world, you can follow me. Leave a message in the comment area. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.